Hey, what's up everybody? Mark Price here at devslopes.com, and I quickly wanted to talk about the 2D art that is in our course, and it comes from GameArtPartners.com. We paid for a special license from Game Art Partners, worked with the owner directly for this course, and so the art you can use for this course, but do not redistribute it, do not give it to anybody, and do not publish any free or paid games with this art. It is for educational purposes only, but again, we wanted to make sure you've got real game art that you would use in a real production setting. So if you do want to use the game assets, you can go to this website here, GameArtPartners.com, and you can buy your own art and license, and the prices here are incredibly reasonable. Okay, for single use in an app, $29.99 for all of these graphics. Basically, the designer here just paid for half of your, or built half of your game, and it's $30, and you can have a $1 million game all right here for $30. So again, the assets that we give you, it would be unethical to redistribute them. So please use them for educational purposes. Show your family and friends. Show Team DevSlopes. Get involved in the community, but do not redistribute them to anybody else or publish free or paid apps or games anywhere with this art unless you actually buy the license. This license is a DevSlopes license, and so you have to get a license of your own, but you can use it for the purposes of learning real game stuff. And again, we didn't want to give you crap. You know, what's the point of having you work with junk that's you're not even going to use in a real setting? So that's why you get to work with these beautiful graphics. And a lot of these artists here, by the way, are for hire. You can click information about it like this: artist is for hire, inquire within, and you might be able to create your own game studio and meet some people here. So I think this is a much better opportunity for you than if we just gave you some ugly graphics that we made ourselves. So that's it for now. Go make some amazing games, participate in the community, and we'll see you around.